Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about my top juicy, fruity, warm weather fragrances. If you want to see what they are, then keep watching. Before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for your continued support. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell. Without further ado, let's dive right in. As I mentioned before, I chose some of my best fruity, juicy, warm weather fragrances. I have a whole bunch here to go through, so I'm not going to spend too much time on each one. I'm going to kick this off with Dolce Shine by Dolce Gabbana. This is such a beautiful mango quince fragrance. It's very bright, fruity, and opening. That quince is so juicy. There's also grapefruit that gives this juiciness and the zest. That mango is sweet. It has a solar accord. This smells like a tropical beach vacation. This is Shine by Dolce Gabbana. Here I have Perlate by Amo Ferragamo. This has notes of pear, raspberry, there's magnolia. This is so refreshing, mouth-watering. It smells fresh, crisp, and clean, and very sparkling. It's a clean, fruity fragrance. There's some woody notes at the base, but mainly you get that fruity pear and raspberry combo. Perlate by Amo Ferragamo. Next I have La Vie Belle Intensement by Lancome. This has a juicy raspberry note. There's also pink pepper, which gives it that sweet, spicy touch. There's bergamot, which makes it uplifting, zesty, juicy, citrusy. This has white florals. There's patchouli and sandalwood. Very juicy and mouth-watering. La Vie Belle Intensement by Lancome. This next one is an affordable option from Target. This is called Sparkling Hibiscus by Mixbar. This has notes of champagne. There's hibiscus. It's a very effervescent, sparkling hibiscus. It's juicy, it's sweet, mouth-watering. It's tart, fresh, and fruity. Very sparkly, vivacious fragrance. Warm weather is the perfect time to wear this Sparkling Hibiscus by Mixbar. Next I have Girl of Now Shine by Ellie Sav. This is a pineapple, pistachio, almond fragrance. The pineapple here is very juicy, very bright, sweet. It's sweet, fruity, nutty, it's syrupy. It's a delicious and mouth-watering gourmand. I absolutely adore this one. Girl of Now Shine by Ellie Sav. I have another Girl of Now, and this is the Forever Flanker. This is also by Ellie Sav. This one has the same DNA as the original Girl of Now. If you smell that, the pistachio, the almonds, it's all in here. But this also has the added lemon at the top and raspberry. It's very juicy and citrusy. That lemon is lemonade. It's giving, but you do get that raspberry, which is juicy, and the lemon in here makes it so refreshing. I really like this one for hot weather. Girl of Now Forever by Ellie Sav. Next I have Eden Juicy Apple by Peony. This is such a delicious blend of fruits. You get red apple, lychee, there's blackcurrant, wild berries, raspberries. This also has rose, which I'm not getting. I just get a mix of these fruits. I get that apple, I get the raspberry note, I get that lychee. It's so good. It's juicy, it's sweet, it's bursting with flavor. If this had a flavor, it's a little tart. This is such a fun fragrance. This is not one that's too serious. This is one you want to wear in the daytime, running errands. I just wear it doing pretty much anything during the daytime. This one is not like a nighttime scent for me. It's your everyday fun, fresh, fruity scent. Eden Juicy Apple by Peony. Next, I have Toy 2 Bubblegum by Mosquito. How cute is this bottle? And this smells like bubblegum, especially in the opening. The Hubba Bubba, it's a little tart, it's sweet. This is so good. This has candied fruits, there's bitter orange, there's lemon. I definitely get that lemony zest. It's refreshing, it's mouth-watering, it's very juicy. It has peach, cinnamon, ginger. It's fun, it's playful. If you want to smell like bubblegum, this is a good option. Toy 2 Bubblegum by Mosquito. We have the Teddy Brother, which is Toy 2. This has notes of apple, there's mandarin orange, there's white currant, white florals, musk, sandalwood. This is such a good, fresh, out of the shower, clean type of scent. It's fruity, sweet, juicy, crisp, and clean. I love putting this on straight out of the shower, especially when it's warm out. Perfect for warm and hot weather. Again, this is Toy 2 by Mosquito. This next fragrance is Overdose by Zerjoff. I love this gold bottle. It's It's stunning. This has fruity notes listed. They don't list which fruity notes, but there is a fruitiness to this. I'm picking up pineapple and maybe some passion fruit. It smells tropical. They're tropical fruits. This has aldehydes, which give the opening like a coldness, a freshness. There are green facets in this from eucalyptus and pine. It's fresh, sweet, fruity, slightly green, juicy. It smells very elegant and glamorous. I don't consider this to be a fun, everyday fragrance. This is like a special occasion, going out. This would be great for a bride. This is a very sophisticated take on a fruity fragrance. Again, a Chantilly Overdose by the House of Sergio. Next one I have here is Burberry Her EDT, and this is my favorite Burberry Her. This one is so juicy, so mouth-watering. You have pear, strawberry, blackcurrant. There's pink pepper, florals. You get the musk and cedar in the base. It's very fresh smelling, very fruity, very juicy, very mouth-watering. It has a sensual musk dry down. This is a great everyday, any occasion fragrance. Again, this is Burberry Her EDT. Next I have Guantalenti by Profumo di Firenze. And this is a great summer gourmand. You have your banana, apricot, it has red fruits, coconut, vanilla. There's raspberry, cookie, toffee. It's a delicious, juicy, fruity concoction. It dries down smelling like an ice cream with all the mentioned fruits, creamy and like tonic. And the fruits in here are very mouth-watering, very juicy, really delicious. For all of you gourmand lovers, this will be a good one for spring and summer. Guantalenti by Profumo di Firenze. Next I have Gold Coast by Bon de Bernard. And this is a juicy watermelon fragrance. It has lychee, red apple, apricot, rose, sitting on a bed of musk, cedar, and vanilla. And it's very juicy, aquatic. It smells girly, flirty, fun. This is such a good one for warm weather. Love this. Gold Coast by Bon de Bernard. Next I have Greenwich Village by Bon de Bernard. This has notes of lychee, cassis, Mandarin orange, peony. There's lily, jasmine, praline, vanilla on the bed of musk and oak moss. It's very juicy and fruity. That lychee is just a mouth-watering, delicious. There's a heavy presence of ambroxan, which gives it that airy vibe. I think it elevates the fragrance along with that oak moss. It's sweet, juicy, and airy. Such a beautiful one to wear in spring and summer. Greenwich Village by Bon de Bernard. Next, I have Chantilly by Gritty. I had just talked about this one in my haul video. I'm going to put a link to that down below in case you missed it. This is a spring and summer gourmand. Basically, this has notes of melon, there's strawberry, and there's that Chantilly cream or whipped cream or vanilla cream, which is very creamy. It's a little powdery, it's sweet, it's very juicy and bright, and it wears light on the skin. This is a great one for warm weather, for spring and summertime. It's a fruity gourmand, and it just smells like all the fruits are covered in this Chantilly cream. So good. Again, Chantilly by Gritty. Next, I have Soleil Passion by M. Micallef. This has notes of pomegranate, there's wild strawberry, there's some floral notes on the base of musk, ambergris, and sandalwood. So there's a little bit of woodiness going on. It's a little bit powdery from the musk. I just mostly get these zesty, juicy, mouth-watering fruits. It just makes me want to do that. And it's such a light, airy scent. This one is so perfect for the warm and hot weather. It's such a heavenly scent. It's an everyday, easy reach type of fragrance. I have a discount code with Micallef. I'm going to put that in the description box below. This is such a good, easy to wear, everyday fragrance. This one is refreshing, mouth-watering, juicy. Soleil Passion by M. Micallef. Next, I have Lamar by Kajal. This one has pineapple, red berries. There's apple, cardamom, coriander. This has rose, and all of it is wrapped in a musky, woody vanilla base. And I just love this combination of pineapple with those spices. Just really elevates this fragrance. The pineapple in here smells very realistic and juicy, as if you just cut open a pineapple in front of you. It's very luxurious and opulent, very addictive. This is your next level fruity fragrance. It's very juicy, very mouth-watering. I absolutely love this fragrance. Lamar by Kajal. Next, I have Wonderland Peony by Floral Street. This one has notes of guava, red berries. so sweet and delicious. There's raspberry peony on the base of cotton candy, vanilla, woody notes, cedar, and vetiver. It's a very sweet, fruity, mouth-watering gourmand. It's playful and flirtatious. The cotton candy note definitely sweetens this up. The fruits in here are just so juicy, so delicious. I love a good guava note with the addition of red berries. A very juicy, gourmand experience. Wonderland Peony by Floral Street. Next I have Pacific Park by Simone Andreoli. And this is another fun summer spring type of scent. This was inspired by the Oceanfront Amusement Park in Santa Monica, California. It does smell like an amusement park next to the ocean. There's notes of cotton candy. There's pear, blackcurrant, mandarin orange. These juicy, fruity notes. It's sweet, it's refreshing. It has a caramel and vanilla base. The fruity warm weather gourmand. It smells amazing. I get a box scent in here as well. It just adds to the whole experience. I absolutely love this fragrance. Strongly recommend Pacific Park by Simone Andreoli. Next I have a pear by Chromatica. This has a pear accord accompanied by an apple accord, and it's sprinkled with a caramel accord. This also has raspberry peach. It's all wrapped up in floral, woody, musky notes. This brand doesn't use alcohol in their fragrances, which makes it safe for you to put in your hair, all over your body. The pear and that apple are just so juicy. It's a little bit sweet from the caramel. It's a very fresh, juicy type of scent. A great one to spray on after the shower, run errands. It's a great one for daytime. You can find this one on Twisted Lily. I have a coupon code with them, which I'm going to put in the description box below. Again, this is a pear by Chromatica. Here I have Chantilly by Parfums de Marly. And this is a beautiful peachy fragrance. Although it says plums, red currant, florals, there's plum, mimosa. To me, the plum is not plummy. This smells peachy. And it's a juicy, mouth-watering peach. It has a beautiful vanilla base. It's fresh, fruity, and creamy. And I love and live for that vanilla base. Again, this is Chantilly by Parfums de Marly. Another one from Parfums de Marly is Meliora, and I've put a huge dent into this one. I absolutely love this scent. This has blackcurrant, it has cassis, and it's very juicy from that blackcurrant. It's somewhat green from the cassis, but yet it's still sweet. It's clean, fresh, it's effortless and beautiful. I absolutely adore this fragrance come spring and summer. Meliora by Parfums de Marly. Next I have another pineapple fragrance, and this is Tamarindo by Memo Paris. This is a different take on pineapple. It smells different to the other pineapple fragrances that I showed you. This one has patchouli, and it's a very prominent note. This is a fruit chuli. You really get that patchouli. You do have to like that note because it's there and it is prominent. This also has a note of cardamom. There's bergamot, mandarin orange. So you have these bright, zesty, juicy fruits at the top. There's also the addition of coconut. It gives it a creaminess. This also has peach, some yellow florals. It's a sweet, fruity, tropical patchouli fragrance. It's sweet, a little tart. The patchouli grounds the sweetness. So this pineapple is not a very sweet one. It's all balanced out really nicely. I love this interpretation of pineapple, and I strongly recommend trying this one, Tamarindo by Memo Paris. And that completes my video for today. Please let me know down below what you think of these fragrances. What are some of your favorite juicy, fruity, warm weather fragrances? Please let me know down in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back here soon. Take care.